Hello, and we're back with another Doodle tutorial, and today what we're going to do is we're going to make a little character portrait and get all the stats working, like health and that, because next tutorial we're going to start making the spells and unlocking spells at levels and spells for different classes, because we've got 3 classes, which is Druid, Warrior and Magician, whatever, Mage. But the first error I found an error in the character. If we go down to the bottom, key spaces down, it doesn't actually play the hit animation. This is because it says underscore root dot male. It has to say underscore root dot player. And then you should find that when we get a sword, we'll just go and buy a sword. Like that. There. It hits. Same for the bow, it shoots. Just buy a bow. Like that. It's a bit offset. So it shoots like that every time you press space. So I think that's okay for now. There's also a glitch. There's a glitch in the inventory system what we'll be fixing later, which the sword doesn't show immediately. But there's also another glitch, which is when we click female, when we walk it changes back to the colour of the pants changes. I'm just going to fix that later. I'm still looking into it. Good way to fix it without changing a lot of things. I think we're just going to change the colour dynamically instead of using framework, and that probably will increase performance and it'll be better for the game. But I'm still looking into it to get this fixed quite easily. An easy way to fix this. I haven't really looked that good, but we'll get this fixed later on when we'll do some polishing, more polishing. But probably not a lot because we've already polished the game up quite a lot from where we were at. So what we're going to do today, oops, opened the wrong thing, is we're going to make a character portrait. We might just fell off the head. Right. So basically, in the virtual cam, we're just going to make like a life bar kind of thing. So first, do that. This is going to be our energy. Well, not energy, our resource. I don't know what it'll be yet, but it'll be different for different. I can't even spell resource. Resource bar outline. That's the outline for it. Resource bar. Registration left, because it's going to like go down that way to the left, so it has to be at left. And this is whatever resource we're using, like I don't know, energy. I can't think of any. Energy. What do magicians use? I don't know, mana or something. Mana. Yeah, something like that. So it'll change colour on depending on the class, but we're going to do that probably next tutorial. And this will be our health bar. So let's change colour. Actually, I like green. No, I don't think green will work. We'll try red for now. Health bar. Now I need the outline as well. Whoa. Don't know why that came up. health bar outline. So like that. Oops. Move that into place. And now we're going to put a border around it. So let's say, leave that. Nah, that's boring. It's gonna be like, it has to be like a greyish border, 'cause I don't know. I think grey looks cool. Like that. No, that still doesn't look quite good. We'll change colours later on. And now a circle. Like that. And in this circle, a white circle. So we're going to change the colours later on, or tweak the colours to what you like best. But for now, we'll have that. Slightly littler, cause smaller. Littler. Smaller. So I want it to fit on quite nicely. Maybe the inventory needs to be smaller too. Just the inventory button anyway, not the inventory. Let's try this. We might put all the buttons down the side later on, but we'll keep the inventory up there for later. We'll probably have to put all the buttons down the side, but for now, it'll be there. And in this portrait, just go have our goblin kind of facing it. We'll have to draw it again because can't copy it. So like that. You wouldn't believe I'd created this goblin by just doing a squiggle, and I thought, oh, that looks good. But then because I was making a new game, and I just done a squiggle because I didn't know what to draw for a character, so I just started squiggling, and then it came into like a goblin thing, so I just changed it to a goblin. I can't remember what it was going to be supposed to be, but it just ended up as a goblin, which was quite good. My drawing skills are terrible. That's really bad. I'll pause the video and do a better one. 2 seconds. It looks terrible, but it'll have to do for now because I just can't draw. But now what we're going to do is going to make the health bars, well, kinda. So we'll just go into first frame and make some new variables. Which ones we've got? We've got max health, player stats, we've got health, max health, go var resource source number equals 100. Copy that again. Got max resource equals 100. So it's like that. Alright, we'll go back into here. Oops. Actually, I need to see how did we start with capital health? Yeah. Right, back in here, and now into this bar. And in this bar, clip on, clip event, into frame, like that. Underscore width. I find normally people say you should do underscore X scale, but I find when you do that, if the max health gets larger, the bar also gets larger. But if you do underscore width, it doesn't matter what the numbers are, it'll always stay the same size. If you've ever had that problem with XP bars or something, the more the XP increases, the larger the bar gets. But if we'll use underscore width, it doesn't matter how big health is, how large of a number it is, the bar will all stay the same size. equal, simple math here to work out percentages is, not that, health underscore root dot health divided by underscore root dot max health as one sum times 100. 100% that is. How big's the width of this? We might have to decrease it a bit. Just as we'll see here. See how the bar's slightly bigger? It's because this width isn't 53.6. Let us show you something here. With X scale, it stays kind of the same, but when we make it larger, it doesn't stay the same size. If you kind of understand this, we'll see later. It's not 50. We'll just find a number what works here. Oh, I know why it's like this. Because max health's 150. Want max health to be 100. Now, if we make this 50, it should work. About that'll be the right size there. 2 seconds. We need to see that. Have we made the outlines for this? Oh, 2 seconds. We're doing it on the wrong thing. We've got the health bar. Why is the health bar outline in the health? Why is the health bar in the health bar outline? 2 seconds. We'll paste that in the health bar and cut the health bar out. Health bar outline. Paste the health bar here. I don't know why that's happened. That. Copy that. Go into the health bar outline. Actually, no. Delete the health bar outline. And where it says resource bar outline, just make it outline. We only need one outline. We don't need 2 movie clips for outlines. Freaked out a bit there. So we'll get the outline again. Duplicate it. Maybe we should go in it and make it like better. About 2. So it's like that. Go there. Width. Make it 50. Oops, 50. We'll make this width 50. I think it was 5.5 height. Yep. Right, I'm not recording. Oh yeah. Right, be a bit later if I wasn't. Right, 5.5 height. And this 50 as well. That goes in there. Cut that and paste it back in place so it's over the top. So it's like that. Then should work, yeah. Going here, the reason why we've done it by 50 is because I'll show you. If we do it by 100, it duplicates it, and the reason that is because the width of this health bar is 50. So to get it to the right size, using this dot underscore width equal underscore root dot health divided by max health times 50 the width. So another thing we want to do is we want to put numbers in as well. Actually, before we do that, we need to make copy this, go in resource bar and do the same for that. Resource, max resource, like that. Want to get some dynamic text right out there, underscore root dot health, $100. That max health, oops, and we'll make a slash static text. Can't select just the text, which is quite annoying. Yeah, now I can't even select the static text, which is even more annoying. There, got that down there. Instead of health, we'll go resource. We'll call it resource because it's gonna, for every class, it's gonna just be called the same. Resource. Like that. Yeah, that should work now. Why does this keep moving around? Ah, there. And I don't think it matters how great, like big the health is. Say we've got health 10,000, max health 10,000. See, doesn't matter how big the health is, the bar still stays the same, which is good. It all stays the same. It'll just go down slower. So that's quite good add-on. But also what I want to do before the end of this tutorial, not just make that, is make a little other thing on here. An add-on. Yeah, we'll put it over like that because that looks cool. and it'll be a level, dynamic text, null, level dot levels. I don't think we'll have a thingy for levels actually. Level to use. What's that? Oh, that's the item stats, isn't it? I think that's for later. Made that for later. Alright, 2 seconds. We'll just open the folder where the game first ever made. Dual War. Game tutorial. I think this is it. And I think I had the leveling script in here. Look how weird that looks compared to what we've got now. Game tutorial. Well, I think I have a leveling script in. I think we'll put the leveling script in here. Oh yeah, XP to levels, stuff like that. Leveling. Go down, find the leveling script. Function level up. Function level up. Put it down here somewhere. Level up. This code was made so long ago. I was so unexperienced then making stuff. We need to just find our onEnter frame function now. Have we made an onEnter frame function? I don't think we have. Which we should. onEnter frame. If you don't know what onEnter frame function is, if you're new here, basically just a function which loops all the time continuously. Function. Paste that, level up in. So level up always runs. Levels. Yours start level 1 obviously. I'll level 0. Whatever. Just saying, make sure it won't glitch. Levels equal 2. Yeah. That looks good now. Right. And actually, before we go, we've got enough time, we might as well make an XP bar. Because that'd be cool. So, just move these up a bit. I'm going to put outline here. Stretch it all along. Actually, no. Can't use outline. Call it XP bar outline. Alright, blue, I think blue's a great colour for XP bar. Dark blue. Alright. So you got that. Pull that. XP bar. Like that. And then this we actually want to go back into XP bar outline because I just don't think this is looking good. If it lets us select it, that is. Just remove that. I'm going to say 1.5. Don't want too thick. Or I could just increase the size of it, like slightly. We also want that over that. Want all this over that. Can't even unselect the outline. What I need to do, which is terribly annoying. 2 seconds. Seriously. Cut all that. Paste it. And that shouldn't be over that. I don't know why it is. Oh well, we'll just move the XP bar later anyway. So, won't stick on little details like that for now. But what we want to do to make the XP bar is basically, we'll just come over here and we'll just copy this code. But instead we'll have XP, what the variable is called, XP and XP to level. We don't have something called max XP, we have XP and XP to level. Get that width and times it by that. That should work. Yeah, I think that's working. We just need something to add the XP. So I'll just go in here, on, press, underscore root dot. This is just a test for adding XP, just cause, so we know it's working. Two seconds, I've got an idea. Looks much better now. I just give the XP bar the highest depth. Like that. Right, just go in here again, plus equal 10. Oops. Like that. Go in here. Go. See. It always goes to the same distance, but gets harder as we go up. Which is quite cool. So we'll have to fight more monsters to get up to different levels. See how your level goes up. I don't know if your I think your max life goes up too. I'm not sure. See, it's taking a lot more clicks now. Well, you would have to kill a lot more monsters to get up that level. So that's a really good XP bar because it stays the same length, but it's just getting harder. So the same will happen for the. I'll just leave that in for you to test if you want to test and customize it a bit. But I don't know if getting up level adds your health. Let's see. Have a look now. Yeah, max health equal 200. That's why it changed. Didn't look like this changed though. Oh, it must have. Right. Let's see. Now, what was I going to do? Just quickly. Oh yeah, I remember. We're going to put little things in here to tell you when you're 5%. Just quickly. We need calculator for this. So, where's the calculator button? There. Right, so 287.4. And we want to know we're at 5% each time, a little marker. What tells us. So we don't have to read the XP bar. We know what 5% of leveling up. So divided by, I think it's 50. Yeah, 50. Because 100 would be 1%. 90 would be, I'm not sure. Yeah, it will be 50. So 5.748. So 5.748. Just thinking, but we might not have to curve this as much because I don't think curving it I don't think it's going to work as well. 2 seconds. But if you want to curve it, you can curve it. Because as we start, it's not as curved. I just don't like that. Just do that. Take this over here, like that. There. Like that. Oops, that went a bit weird. We'll move that. Like that. So it's not curved anymore, but I think it'll work better like that. Now, to find out 5%, we'll just have to put basically marker. So this tells us that that's 5%. It actually doesn't because this is curved. So what was I just need to check the size before I uncurve it. 5.7 to 1 decimal place. Like that. We'll measure this one. like this. We'll measure this. Copy that over. Like that. See, it gets quicker as we make more. Then I'll show you what you delete the insides after, and then you get all the 5% markers. Just cool little add-on to it, XP bar. You can do 10% if you want. But I'm just sticking at 5. Alright, I think we're nearly done here. Like that. That should do. We'll just delete all the insides of this, and then we'll count them up, see if we've got the right amount. Should be 50. Should there be 50? Oh no, I think that's 2%. Oh, we've just done this wrong, haven't we? I think I've accidentally worked out 2% instead of 5%. There should be 20, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. No, there's more than 20 there. Alright, I'll pause the video and I'll just do the 5% quickly. I'm there after about 10 minutes of doing the 2% ones. The 5% ones took us about a minute. So that tells you when you're at 5%. I just done the calculation wrong. I had to divide by 20 instead. So just like that. So we're like getting 10 up out of 100, so 10%. So that's quite good. Gives you a better, like, look, you're getting half ones up now. Like that. And that's all I think we'll be doing for today. You can customize your levels to do what you want. Next time we're doing classes, and what did I say? We're doing spells and a bit of customization to the classes when we get into the game. And then next probably be doing like interactivity in the game, questing, fighting, stuff like that. Casting your spells be quite fun. So stay tuned, and I like to see what you come up with the game. Just trying to level up loads. Maybe we can get to level 100 by like 2 o'clock in the morning. Alright, but I'll just leave that code in this button for leveling up, just so you can test it if you're doing any changes. So that's all for today. I'll try and bring the next tutorial out as soon as I can, because we're getting quite far in this tutorial series. So thank you for watching. Bye.